Cancel your Spotify Premium subscription, a step-by-step guide. If you're tired of Spotify and want to explore different music streaming services and have been searching for ways to cancel your Spotify Premium subscription, then this video is for you. In this detailed guide, you can cancel Spotify Premium on your desktop or mobile device by following these steps. Initially, if you're on a browser looking for a way to unsubscribe, head over to spotify.com/account, which should open automatically in the account overview section on Spotify's website. Accessing your account settings from the drop-down menu would also open a browser window and get you to the same place. Now that you're at your account overview screen, tap Available Plans from the sidebar on the left. A box will be displayed with details about your current membership and other plans available. Go down to the bottom and find the option entitled Spotify Free. It's at the very bottom. Tap the big Cancel Premium button below it. Canceling your Spotify account using an Android device is much the same as doing it on a desktop. It's done through a web browser on the device. The Spotify Premium subscription for an individual is set at $12 per month. If you haven't tried Premium, Spotify provides a free month to try out the music streaming service.